how to create a Google business profile. So first what you want to do is just simply click on this business.google.com website when you search for Google business profile and wait for it to load. And once you're here, you just simply need to type in your business name. And if you don't have any business name yet, you will simply need to click on add your business to Google right here. Now what you want to do is just simply type in your business name. So let's say for me, I'm going to type in mine, create a business name with this name. And now you will need to input your business category. So let's say I'm in the media media company, or let's say my business is a car dealer. And once that's done, or once you're done putting up your business category, you simply need to click on next. And here you want to add a location customers can visit, like a shop or office. So if you want to add the location, you simply need to click on yes, then click on next. And you will need to input your business address. But if you don't want to input your location, just simply click on no right here, then go to next. And you will be brought to the next question where do you serve your customers, which is only optional. So add areas where your business provides deliveries or home and office visits. So this will appear on your business profile. So you could skip this if you want. And what region is your business based in? So for me, let's say mine is in the Philippines. And I'm going to click on next. And here you will need to input your phone number, which is required. And the website is just optional. If you don't have any, you can just skip it. But if you have your website URL, you simply need to input it right here. And I have now my number right here. So just simply click on next. And here you could either set alerts and notifications or tips about ways to manage your business on Google. You could enable that by clicking on yes, or disable it by clicking on no. So for me, I'm just going to go with no. Then I'm going to click on next and wait for it to load again. And here you will just simply need to enter your address. Once you're done inputting your address, you just simply need to click on next. And here you will select a way to get verified. You could also select the option to verify later. If you click on verify later right here, and you will be brought to customize profile after that, so that it would just be faster on setting up your account. And here you will pick your opening hours. So let's say this Tuesday, let's say Thursday, Friday opens at 8, 8 and closes at 7. Or I mean right here. So same thing with others. Now once it's done, just simply click on next, or you could either skip this if you want. But for me, I'm gonna add some opening hours. Click on next. And now you will need to add your business description, which is also optional. You could skip it if you want. So for me, I'm gonna skip it. And here you could add photos of your shop. So here are examples that you could check about. So here is a plant shop, and here are candles. But for me, just skip it. You could set this up later. And here you could now claim your credit, but for me, I'm just gonna skip all the steps to set up my Google profile faster. So I'm gonna skip this also and continue. So as you can see right here, your address will be visible once you're verified. So all of the things that you've input earlier will only be visible once your account is verified. So you could set that up once your account is done customizing right here. So I'm going to click on continue. And here, as you can see, I have now business profile set, and this will only be visible once I get verified right here. And that's how you basically set up your Google business profile.